Manipur police successfully rescued Dr. K.H. Nabakeshwar, a medical officer who was abducted from Langthabal Kunja Wanglaikai on the morning of November 22 and later demanded ransom, threatening to harm if their demands are not met. The operation, carried out on November 24, led to the arrest of 5 suspects and recovery of cash, of arms, ammunition and suspected narcotics. The kidnappers had demanded a ransom and threatened the victim's life. Acting on intelligence inputs, police tracked Dr. Nabakeshwar to a farmhouse in Lamdeng under Lamshang police station. 4 suspects identified as Wahingbam Ramananda alias Rosso alias Luangamba of KCP MC Lalumba faction, Wahingbam Usharani alias Piari alias Abem Nauraibam Jaishankar, age 39, and Leichombam Bipin, age 32, were apprehended during the initial operation. Police seized one 7.65 mm pistol with magazine, 1.32 mm pistol with magazine and 10 live rounds of .32 caliber from their possession. Meanwhile, on November 26, a follow-up operation led to the arrest of another suspect, Paunam Shamungo, alias Pintu. During the search operation of Ramanda's residence, additional weapons, ammunition, explosives and suspected narcotics, including 3 pistols, 1 loaded with 3 rounds of 9 mm ammunition, a revolver and 2 carbine magazines, 28 rounds of 7.65 mm ammunition and 1 round of 7.62 mm ammunition, 4 detonators, 1.22 rifle with magazine and 8 soap caps suspected to contain heroin number 4 were recovered. In a separate incident, Manipur police on November 25 arrested 1 active cadre of KCP PWG identified as Wairopam Nauba Maitei, age 34, of Foijing Tiramakong from Mahibong Pokpi, Khoirifaba Road near Nambul Khorifaba in Bishnupur district. He was found to be involved in monetary demand from general public and shopkeepers in Nambul area. 1 two-wheeler and 1 mobile phone were seized from his possession. The arrested cadre has been handed over to Nambul police station for further investigation.